Many students ask me, how can I really squeeze in all the notes and lectures I've learned effectively? Is reading again and again a good way to learn? Is highlighting your notes a good way to learn? Is starting to study early help? Or reading material before and after class? Well, all of these could be ways for your children to prepare for exams and tests in school. But they might not be so helpful for long-term learning. As I observe from my students, those who have the habit of sharing what they learn scored higher than those who only learn from themselves. In order to share the knowledge with others, they take efforts to understand the material more and help them to lock the knowledge in their thinking brain. This magic is known as depth of processing. Let your little heroes at home to practice this magic with 4 simple steps. Number 1. Write the name of a concept on top of a blank page of paper that they want to learn. Number 2. Write down the explanation of the concept as if you are teaching to someone. Number 3. Identify, hey, what's missing? Then go back and relearn it. Finally, review everything and simplify as much as possible, like explaining to a 5-year-old kid. Do comment down below if you think this will help with your children. Like and share this video to those who need it, and I'll see you till the next time. Bye!